So let me take you through what I've done so far. As I said, this is a bit of an experiment for me. So I've done a base of house paint, and this is from Home Bargains in the UK, £6.99, no more than £8. It's pure brilliant white silk emulsion for interior walls and ceilings. So it's the cheapest one that I could kind of find. I know a lot of people use house paint for their base coats, but I've never done it. But I've also added a smidgen of normal white acrylic paint, and I got that tip from Chris, actually, from Chris Schneider, from, is it Chrism? So check her channel out, she's really talented UK artists. Yeah, so it's mixed with 1 part paint to 2 parts pouring medium. My pouring medium today is Owatrol and GAC 800. So, as you know, I've been doing lots and lots of experiments with different pouring mediums recently. But I'm going back to my original one just because I have so much paint mixed up in these bottles that, well, I'm not going to put it to waste. And GAC 800 is incredibly expensive. So I'm not entirely sure what order I'm going to put my paint down because it's a bit off the cuff, this. But the colours I've got are greens and golds. I've got copper, I've got orange. I want to try and do a little bit of a landscape type, flower type pour. So I'm thinking on my feet. I have Goldens, let me show you the colours I've got. Transparent red oxide, golden fluid. I have, no, I don't have that colour actually, I haven't made that up yet. Iridescent gold. Jenkins Green. That's all the golden fluids I've got at the moment. I have an orange made up, not sure what brand that is actually. I also, I don't know if I'm going to add this Quinacridone magenta, I'm not sure. So, and I've also got some Sargents copper mixed up, which I know always goes well. So I'm just going to start off with just a simple swipe really. And I'm going to start off with my dark green. Little tip, small cup. Some reason it's so much easier to pour the paint. So my computer is broken down at the moment and it's in the repair shop, and I've ordered a new one, and both are going to take, I don't know, nearly 2 weeks to be fixed, or the new one to be delivered at least, and the old one to be fixed. So I am quite literally limping along, and I'm not sure if I'll be able to edit this video quite the same as my others, but we'll see, shall we? Well, they're nice together. Can you see those? Look at those colours. Very nice. So I'm going to start off with my green, I think. I'm going to use, this is Gold and Fluids Green Gold. Then I'm going to add the, oh, Forgot the name of it. Transparent red oxide. Really like this colour. And then I have some gold. Let's give that a torch, shall we? Just going to add some copper. I'm going to swipe it, shake it too much. I'm putting a lot of colour down here. Don't know if I'm going to regret it actually. Okay, do I want to add some pearl? What do you think? I've only got a tiny bit left. Oh. Let's just weave a bit of pearl in there. Okay. Paper towel. I like to cut mine in strips like that. Easy to handle. Just spray the end with water. Let's see how we get on, shall we? Okay, so I added one tiny drop of silicone to my gold, because if you keep up with my videos and my experiments with the Owatrol, this one, This is the new label, Owatrol. I have not been getting any sales. And I very rarely use silicone in my paintings. Just because I just hate the cleaning and I don't really like the unpredictability of it. Having said that, I don't want to be scared of using it either. And I quite like what's going on here. I just want it to stop. Just please stop there. So, I'm going to put some mallet smashes. But this is where I am really quite scared of doing that actually. It's such a big wuss. Do you know, I think I might add some yellow. This is Hansa Yellow Light. Okay. Oh, there's nothing in that one. I'll have to resort to the Hansa Yellow Light. Some pearl. Oh, I don't want to do this. Okay, just there. Rubbish. I have no idea when my camera went off. I get so engrossed in what I'm doing. Okay, so this is the finished result. I'm out here in the sunshine. It's so difficult to know where to put a painting to show you in all its glory. But I don't know if you can see all the sparkly gold in this painting. But let me just tilt it, see if I can get the sunlight on it. It's got a layer of varnish. Got 2 layers of varnish actually. Might even give it a 3rd just to make it really pop. But I'm really pleased how this turned out. You saw me doing some enhancements towards the end there of that video, just to pull everything together a little bit. I've actually done another painting since this one and simplified it even more, and it really is, every painting you do, you make small changes. I love that flower there. You make small changes and tweaks as you go along, and that's what I've been doing. So, really pleased with this one. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Thank you.